The active ingredients of Travazol Cream, especially used in the treatment of fungal diseases, are diflucordalone valerate and isoconazole nitrate. What is Travazol Cream and what is it used for? Travazol in diaper rash, itchy and prone to inflammation such as sunburn or insect bites, bee stings. In the case of rough, itchy skin irritations or watery eczema, which occurs as a result of contact with the allergen substances in the environment or can be seen in children with hay fever and asthma. Generally, dandruff and skin fungi with inflammation after arthritis, discoloration in hairy areas where sweat and oil are excessively secreted. In the external reproductive organs, women, especially in the chest area and under the skin, it may spread as red spots that start with pinkish color and continue with light dark brown. It accelerates the healing of fungal lesions by rapidly reducing inflammation, itching and redness of the face, most commonly in fungal diseases observed with inflammation, including the neck, arms, chest area, milk brown body fungi, and inflammation, including hands, feet and nails. How to use Travazol Cream. Travazol Skin Cream should be used as prescribed and the physician's instructions should be followed during the treatment. If you continue to use more than the recommended amount, or if the medication needs to be discontinued, other skin conditions may occur. Apply enough cream to the area to be treated and apply with light movements. Do not cover it hermetically. It is sufficient to apply the cream once in the morning and evening. During your treatment, you should dry your body so that no moisture remains after bathing. Apply Travazol Cream to cleanse dry skin area. Wear loose clothing to allow air circulation where you apply the cream. After the inflammation of the fungal area begins to dry, use the cream for a maximum of 15 days for complete healing. If you are using Travazol Cream for fungal lesions on your face, avoid touching your eyes and mouth. In case of accidental contact, rinse with water. If you are using Travazol Cream for athlete's foot, dry your feet thoroughly after a washing. Dry between your fingers with the hair dryer. To keep the cream between your fingers, you can put the cream on gauze and put it between your fingers and put on your socks. Make sure your feet are always dry. Take off your socks every day. Pay attention that they do not contain nylon while buying socks. Shoes should be changed as often as possible, and breathable shoes should be worn. Do not apply alcohol-containing products such as cologne, alcohol-containing wet wipes, hair dye, conditioner, depilatory creams and makeup products such as foundation and blush on areas with fungal and inflamed diseases. In order to prevent the recurrence of the disease, take off your underwear frequently, wear clean clothes, and especially clean your underwear, face and feet by washing the towels and cloths with hot soapy water. Travazol should not be used in infants for a long time without a doctor's advice, because babies are more susceptible to the side effects of the drug. If you are using the cream for diaper rash treatment, do not use tight and thick cloths that will prevent the baby from breathing. Tightly covering the applied area increases the amount of medicine absorbed by the skin. Do not stop using the cream without telling your doctor. During your fungal treatment with Travazol Cream, your skin may show signs of improvement, but do not stop the application of the drug as soon as it begins to improve, because the infection may not be completely cleared and may recur. Therefore, you should comply with the duration of use recommended by your doctor. Before using Travazol Cream, you should pay attention to the following. Do not use this cream if you are allergic to one of the active ingredients of Travazol Cream. When you apply Travazol medication, when you encounter a drug allergy sign such as shortness of breath, urticaria, swelling in your face, lips, tongue or throat, contact your physician immediately and apply to a healthcare institution as you may need emergency treatment assistance. Side effects of Travazol include There is no data on the frequently observed side effects in Travazol users. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for support. Share your views and questions in the comments section.